Hello guys, I hope mko poa. For the new subscribers, karibuni sana. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Yes, and the old subscribers, karibuni tena na tena. Yes, so today we're going to be baking something nice. So we're going to bake some queen cakes. Yes, some queen cakes. So the ingredients are sugar, some prestige, some eggs, water, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, baking powder and flour. Yes, those are the ingredients. So the first step is to mix your sugar and margarine. So let's start. These are very simple recipe for home bakers even. Yes, kama huna mixer na nini, this is the best method. Unatumia tu mkono wako. Yes, you mix till the roughness of the sugar, one egg at a time. Yes, una then mix one egg at a time hadi hizo nne zote ziishe. Egg number 2. You mix. This is how your mixture inakaa after putting in your eggs, your margarine and sugar. So the next thing is to put in your flour. Okay, already ushaeka flour, ushaeka baking powder. Yes, so unaweka, as you measure, unaweka your baking powder. Yes, pia your cinnamon unaiweka at this moment. And you mix. Inanuka vizuri. After mixing your flour with your other mixture, unaongeza maji. Yes, maji ndo inakuwa the last thing with the flavor. You can use milk pia instead of maji. Kama huna maziwa, natumia maji. Yes, una add few drops of your flavor. Our flavor is vanilla. And then we mix. Our dough is ready, yes, to be baked. So the next step ni ku divide your dough into small portions za hizo queen cakes. But before that, you preheat your oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's do that. So let's preheat our oven for like 10 minutes. Yes, then you set your temperature at 180. Yes, it'll hit the upper and the lower moto ndo itakuwa on. Yes, then you divide your portion, your duff. So to divide the duff to some equal portions. there are our queen cakes ready to be baked. Yes, let's wait for the oven to preheat, then tuziweke ndani. Our oven is ready. We put in our queen cake. So kitu utafanya after you put them in, una set your time to around 35 minutes for an 80 degrees. Yes, itaiva with the upper and the lower heat. Yes, that's it. So ngoja ziive. Yes, our queen cakes bado zinaiva. Yes, zimebakisha 10 minutes. Yes, ziive. So unaona venye zimefura. Yes, very few minutes, then they will be ready. And finally, our queen's cakes are ready. Yes, they look like this. Yes, tuzitoe. Yes, zinakaa vizuri, zimeiva. Yes, and they're smelling good. There they are. Ndio hizo. Yes, karibuni tukula. Yes, you can enjoy your queen cake with some coffee, some hot coffee. Yes, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment nicely. Thank you.